Epoxy floors make any repair shop or garage look clean and professional.
This is very slippery.
The fluids that spill make these floors look unsightly and slippery. There are 3 ways to take care of this problem. You can use a floor scrubbing machine or mop using a degreaser, or you can use absorbents, commonly known as kitty litter. The biggest complaint with floor machine cleaning and mopping is residual oil left on the floor that gets tracked everywhere and leaves the floor very slippery. The next complaint is that degreasers just don't clean very well. Even with this video going at double speed, you can see the cleaning difference. Finally, a method for picking up all of the oil, and it cleans much better. Sanitizing provides pest management, and it's eco-friendly. Oxymaze also works on concrete and sealed concrete. Make your floor attractive and eliminate slip hazards. Wet, dirty cars and working with oils creates a dirty and very hard to clean floor. Oxymaze makes this cleaning easy.
Not done. Done.